Hello friends. Yes, I am back. This is Coach Julius, the Chief Trainer for Capital Coin Ecosystem. I am back for Capital Mall Part 2. Capital Mall Part 2. This one goes mainly to the business builders, to the networkers for this Capital Mall. Hey, this is the greatest source of income you've never thought of. This is the greatest source of income you've never thought of. Allow me to share my screen. This is super amazing. Allow me to share my screen right now. Okay, here we are, guys. Here we are. Let me show you some statistics. Yes, it is welcome to the Capital Mall, of course. Okay, I made the first video basically for the business people. Yes, for the business people, for the merchants. I made your video and you know what you're supposed to do. But just a simple recap, because also networking comes from how much the investors are gonna put in. Yes, let me first repeat with how much the investors are expected to put in. Okay. Dear investors, you're supposed to have three kinds of charges. Yes, in this mall. Remember, this Capital Mall is the first mall on the blockchain in history. It is the first online shopping on blockchain. Your transactions are fully recorded, are well recorded on blockchain. Hey, you can never lose anything like a transaction. You can never lose your money. Now, look here, guys. I say that you have three kinds of charges or fees. I mean the merchants. The first one is the goodwill. Yes, just a recap. I say that you need to pay a goodwill of $5 per item you want to upload onto this mall. So if you have 100 items, it means $5 times 100, and that is $500 for all your items to be uploaded onto this mall. That is number one. Then number two, listen carefully. Number two is the second kind of payment is the rent. You need to clear a rent, to pay a rent. Oh my goodness. Okay, fine. Let me explain from here. You need to pay a rent. Let me take you back to the mall. I think that I explain using the mall itself. Yes, you need to pay a rent. You need to pay a rent of $50. You need to pay a monthly rent of $50. Rent of $50. Whether you are selling one item or 1,000 items, the rent is uniform and standard. $50 for everybody. For everybody. Whether your business is in terms of goods or it's in terms of services, it is the same rent. But goodwill for people who are dealing in services, for example, petrol stations, for example, mobile money, for example, oh my goodness, real estate, money and banking and others, those ones have to pay a goodwill of $400. This goodwill is paid just once for lifetime. That is it. Super simple and cheap. Then from there, you you continue with the rent, monthly rent of $50. And if you want your business to be featured, if you want your business to be featured or your business to be shown on the front page, of this mall, then you have to pay $30 monthly. Yes, so that whoever opens this mall, they just land on your business. Yes. They just land on your business first before they check or they look for any other items or businesses. So that is it. Now, let me talk about my brothers and sisters, the business builders. Let me talk about my brothers and sisters, the business builders. Listen carefully. In this ecosystem, you are going to be paid based on your rank. Yes, Capital Coin has said that this amount of money you've seen, either it's on goodwill, or it is on rent, or it is on featured items, the company is going to remain with only 6%. Listen, Capital Coin ecosystem is just remaining with only 6%. Hey, yes, so where does the other 94% go? The other 94% is going to the networkers. I mean, to the people who have done a great job. Listen carefully. The other 60% goes to the direct referral commissions. 60% of any amount that enters into this mall goes to direct referral commission, is distributed, hey, my goodness, as direct referral commission to people who have done the job. Then 19%, yes, goes to indirect referral commissions. Direct means you've brought the client yourself. You've brought the merchant on board yourself using your referral link. But indirect, this one, which constitutes the 19%, it comes from your grandchildren in the business. Your grandchildren in the business. I mean, from the people you brought. The people you brought, once they bring their friends, then it means that those are your children in the business. Then 15% goes to the VIP sixes. 15% of any amount of money that enters this capital mall goes to the VIP sixes. VIP sixes, call them the global shareholders of this mighty opportunity. Guys, this is super amazing. Super amazing. And who are the VIP sixes? These are the people who bought a gas package for $5,000. Who bought a rank, a networking rank of $5,000, because these people were given 10 million capital coins as 10 million or 20 million, those who bought in the first place. But those who bought in the last promotion, yes, they were given 10 million capital coins. Now, there are those, it's because of that kind of, I mean, heart you showed. Yes, that you are going to be given 15% from any amount of money that enters into the mall. This is super amazing. Now, the rest of the other members, yes, you need to buy your rank. You are going to be paid based on your rank. I mean, direct referral commission is paid based on your rank. You need to buy a rank. We have 6 ranks: VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4, VIP 5 and VIP 6. VIP 1 costs $45. VIP 2 costs $90. VIP 3 costs $400. VIP 4 costs $1,300. VIP 5 costs $2,400. And VIP 6 costs $5,000. Now listen carefully. When you bring a client, you are paid a certain percentage of any amount he puts in. If it is rent, it means that you will be collecting that rent every single month. This is your client that is going to pay you every month for lifetime. Even if you die, your family will keep enjoying that money for lifetime. For as long as this capital mall keeps in existence, you will keep eating that money forever. Now look, how much VIP 1 is. VIP 1 earns 10%. This is direct commission, guys. VIP 2 is paid 20%. VIP 3 is paid 40%. VIP 4 is paid 50%. VIP 5 is paid 55%. And VIP 6 is paid again 55%. That is it. That is it. Guys, this is super amazing. That is direct referral commission. Coach, how about the indirect commission? Yes, there is also indirect commission. The company pays us indirect commission up to 5 levels. Let's assume that this is you, yourself, Coach Julius. You brought a friend here, the friend brought a friend, the friend brought a friend, this friend brought a friend, friend brought a friend. Yes, this is your direct 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Yes, 5. Now look, here we are paid, direct is done. I've shown you how to earn on directs. Then level 1 of indirect, we are paid 8%. Level 2 of indirect, we are paid 5%. Level 3 of indirect, we are paid 3%. Level 4 of indirect, we are paid 2%. And level 5 of indirect, we are paid 1%. Guys, this is naked money. I call this naked money. Why should you go hungry when this capital mall is here? Come and we make money. Bring all those merchants you know. Bring them on board and we make a clean money together, my brothers and sisters. So if you are getting this video from my channel or from my TikTok account or Facebook, just visit the bio for the link and register. Even the phone number is there, WhatsApp number. Come and we do business. Bye-bye for now.